All right, everyone. So the question is, query, you are analyzing credit card transaction data for a marketing study focused on spending behavior at various merchant categories. The study specific target transaction over $15 to access higher spending trends. So create SQL queries that return the average transaction amount for each merchant categories where the average is calculated only for transaction exceeding $15. Additionally, each category return should have at least five such transactions. Sort the results by average transaction amount in descending order and round the average amount column to two decimal places. Note, the table that we have be using for this query are transaction, merchant and merchant category. You can always explore the table using describe or select statement. Okay, the output is this, the column category average amount. Note, the output format doesn't contain all rows present in the written notes. Okay, so now mm, okay, we start. We are giving the dataset with three tables. One transaction, other is merchant, and another is merchant category. The goal is to analyze transaction data and calculate the average transaction amount per category. But there are the few important conditions we need to follow. The first, we can consider transactions whether the amount is greater than 15. That means smaller transactions are excluded right now. The second, we need to calculate the average transaction amount for each category. So we will group the data for category. Okay. The third, we only want category that have at least five transaction. There is where the having clause comes in. Okay. Finally, we sort the result in descending order based on average amount and round the result to two decimal place. Okay. So now let's walk through the query. We start with the select statement. So first select statement, we select uh, uh, MC dot merchant category, short is MC dot name as category. The output column is cate category, which gives us to category name. Then we calculate the average using average AVG, average bracket T dot amount, then round. Okay, then go to round bracket. Okay, um, as a average amount, Okay, they calculate the average amount. Now from we move the to the from clause. We start the transaction table. So the from transaction transaction, spelling mistake, T R TRANSACTION, transaction table, which contain the raw transaction data. Then, then we can join the merchant table, so that join, join merchant table, sorry, join merchant category table. So m dot id, m dot, then we join the sorry, okay, uh, both table, okay. We join the merchant table, table t dot id merchant equals to m dot id. This connection each transaction to its corresponding merchant. Okay. Then again join m dot id merchant category 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 equals to merchant mc dot id. This connection each merchant to its category. Okay. So here some id, hmm, here merchant A as ever from transaction T joint merchant. Here we define merchant M, after that here merchant merchant category merchant category on, sorry, uh, here MC. Okay, here joining two statements. After that we move next clause. Now next is the where clause. We filter only those transactions where amount is greater than 15. So it is where amount amount greater than 15. Then after that group by group by merchant name. This group all transaction by categories. Okay. Now we move to next, having 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 count bracket asterisk greater than equals to 5. This ensure we only keep category that have at least 5 transaction. Okay. After that, finally go to order by average amount. So here order order by average average amount descending order. ठीक here. This sort the result from the highest average to lowest. So it is the full query. We remove the blank is okay and for investment. Okay. Now we run this queries. Let's see what is the output come. This is the run button. It show one error. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Here comma then okay fine everything once again run. Okay, once again it is reflect the some error. I will do rectify it. Mm, mm, mm. Select MC name as category. Select name as category. Round average total as average amount from transaction. Okay, here mistake. Transaction T. So this is the output. Category bar, pub, restaurant, cafe, shop, coffee shop, food. Okay, now we will submit it. Let's check it's correct or not. Yes, okay. Is it correct question? Correct. We move to the next question.